Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for paraphrasing. In this quick walkthrough, you'll learn how to open a new chat in Claude and enter a simple paraphrasing prompt to get started. If you're new to AI tools, paraphrasing simply means rewriting text in a different way while keeping the original meaning. This can be useful for improving clarity, changing tone, simplifying language, or avoiding repetitive phrasing. To begin, open your browser and go to the Claude New Chat page. This is where you can start a fresh conversation and give Claude a task. Starting with a new chat is helpful because it keeps your request focused and makes it easier for the AI to respond clearly to the specific text task you have in mind. Once the new chat page is open, take a moment to locate the message box. This is where you'll type your request. For paraphrasing, it's best to be direct and specific. You can enter a sample prompt that tells Claude exactly what you want it to do. For example, you might ask it to paraphrase a sentence, a paragraph, or a longer passage while keeping the meaning the same. You can also mention the style you want, such as professional, casual, simple, or more polished. Being clear in your prompt usually leads to better results. After typing your paraphrasing prompt into the chat box, press Enter to send it. Claude will then generate a rewritten version of the text based on your instructions. When the response appears, read through it carefully to make sure the meaning is accurate and the tone matches what you wanted. Even though AI can be very helpful, it's always a good idea to review the output and make any final adjustments if needed. A useful tip is to refine your prompt if the first response isn't exactly right. For instance, you can ask Claude to make the paraphrased version shorter, clearer, more formal, or easier to understand. Small changes in wording can make a big difference in the quality of the result. And that's all it takes to start using Claude AI for paraphrasing. Open a new chat, enter your paraphrasing prompt, and send it off. With just a simple instruction, you can quickly get rewritten text that saves time and helps improve your writing.